it's the 10th of August 2021 we have Väinön katu 7 staircase, and I think this is the only staircase where there is an elevator in this building.
Yeah.
Because the B is only four floors, but I don't think there's any elevator there. What I saw over there is an Otis 2000 VF elevator built in 1999. Capacity 8 versus 6 milligrams. The serial number is B1K2538. On local spot, and also will be inspected this year, 2021. Return 20 years old in 2019. Non-man.
Yeah.
Interesting, even though it replaced an old elevator.
Yeah.
But to mention that this is in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi-Melasta, Finland. This could have been made a bit faster,
No, yeah.
but still very nice.
Respektive Jyväskylä. Maintained also on this practice.
There's the only stock on the door right?
Yeah.
Hope they're not, but they closed the door.
Yeah.
And also, this is in Swedish or English versions.
Yeah.
Not in Finnish.
Yeah.
Or probably like English. Because it would be more logical if it's English that's used on the panel. But it's no difference. English or Swedish could be.
Yeah.
Because normally it would be Henk in
Yeah.
Finnish
Yeah.
and for abbreviation.
Yeah. I have seen it in Finnish also in Latvia.
Yeah. Oh, really? Something that they imported from Finland.
Yeah.
Went through Finland. It's pretty interesting.
That's